What up guys, this is Nick. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make easy paper plate scrambled eggs in the microwave. Yes, it's everything that I just said. So first things first, you're going to get some sort of oil and just kind of spray it down. You can also put olive oil in it. There we go. You're going to want to get 2 eggs. All right, we got our 2 eggs here. Now you're going to want to add a teaspoon of milk. All right, we got our teaspoon of milk. Now you're going to want to just scramble these bad boys up. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is like really good if you're in a pinch. You can do this on a regular plate too. It doesn't have to be a paper plate. But, you know, if you're not trying to dirty up dishes and you're trying to make breakfast in a pinch, this is very easy and quick to do. Alright, so at this point, you can do your seasoning. So if you want some salt and pepper, you can go ahead and do that. I'll go ahead and throw some salt and pepper on here so it's not so plain. Just a little bit of salt. Your heart will thank you for not going too crazy on the salt. And we'll do a little bit of pepper as well. A little bit of pepper. Now this is 2 eggs here, 2 scrambled eggs. You don't want to do fried eggs in the microwave, they will blow up. So just so you know. And then we can go to our microwave. We're going to throw this in here. Forgive my dirty microwave. I'm going to just go ahead and throw this in here for 45 seconds. All right, after 45 seconds, you'll get something like this, perfectly fine. You'll take it out. You'll go ahead and mix it up again, just to make sure you get everything even. Smash it with your fork, you know, mix things around. Good to go. Stick it in the microwave for another 20 seconds. If you like your eggs a little bit more runny, I mean, you could do 10 seconds, but I do 20 just to be safe, right? So, and then you'll just mix it up again. And the heat from the rest of the eggs will cook anything that's like a little bit pliable still. So, like, and there you go. You got some scrambled eggs on a plate. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Super simple to do, and they don't taste bad at all. So if you're in a pinch in the morning and you just want some scrambled eggs really quick, don't have a ton of time, I mean, you can do this in under 5 minutes and not dirty up a ton of dishes. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day or night. Peace.